A practical application, innovative electrical services. Carl identified complementary value drivers to create value for customers, suppliers, and shareholders. From this unique mix of value, Carl derives a value proposition. But a value proposition is in fact a hypothesis that must be tested. The objective is to ensure market fit. In other words, matching the product or services to the customer's needs or wants. Carl starts by developing a customer profile. What job or task must the customer do? The customer wants to use household appliances for various tasks, but appliances need energy in the form of electricity. The customer therefore needs to access reliable and cost-effective electricity. Similarly, businesses need to use equipment that also requires electricity to function. In the same way, both households and businesses need a reliable water supply to function. What gain or benefit is the customer trying to get? The customer wants easy and cost-effective access to electricity and water supply. Also, customers do not understand renewable energy solutions and want a provider who can take responsibility for the maintenance of the system. Additionally, Carl provides customers with access to renewable energy solutions by way of a funding solution. What pains or sacrifices or risks do the customer face? Although electricity supply has stabilized recently, customers still face the very real possibility of electricity supply interruptions. This has a substantial impact on both households and businesses. In addition, electricity costs are rising substantially, which puts tremendous pressure on the finances of both households and businesses. Recently, households and businesses in parts of the country are now also experiencing water supply interruptions. Customers want the added comfort of a solution that also includes product guarantees and the maintenance of the system. Lastly, customers face the daunting prospect of raising money for alternative energy solutions. Next, Carl must map out and design his value proposition by considering the following. Product or service. Carl offers customers renewable energy solutions, including solar, wind, and water buffering systems, with a maintenance contract and extended product warranties. Additionally, Carl gives prospective customers access to renewable energy solutions by providing a funding solution. Gain creators. Customers get uninterrupted electricity and water supply. Additionally, customers benefit from lower energy costs. Pain relievers. Homeowners and businesses can avoid the cost and inconvenience of electricity and water supply interruptions. Customers also get the comfort of a long-term relationship with IES where maintenance of the system is provided. Carl's new strategy achieves market fit. His products and services meet the needs of customers. Now, Carl must redesign IES's business model around the newly crafted value proposition.